The overall goal of the following experiment is to examine the neural encoding of the subjective value of risky and ambiguous options using functional MRI. This is achieved by scanning participants while they make choices between risky and ambiguous lotteries, varying in amount, probability, and ambiguity level. The choices made by each participant are then used to estimate his or her attitudes towards risk and ambiguity, which in turn are used to estimate how risk and ambiguity affect participants' valuation of the lotteries. Next, these estimates are used as regressors in a general linear model in order to identify brain areas in which activity is correlated with subjective value of risky and/or ambiguous lotteries. The results show correlation with subjective values of both risky and ambiguous options in overlapping regions of the medial prefrontal cortex and the striatum.
The main advantage of this technique over other methods that compare general activity for risky and ambiguous lotteries is that the individual behavior of each participant is used in the analysis of brain activation.
This method can help answer key questions in the neuroeconomics field, such as how value is represented in the brain and how it's used to make choices.
The first step in this protocol is to design the visual stimuli representing risky and ambiguous choices to be presented while scanning. Use images, such as those seen here, to represent